Welcome to searching the online catalog. First, let's navigate to the catalog by rolling your mouse over Resource. Then click on the Catalogs and Facts Forms link. Once you're here, you'll see links to our 3 catalogs: the full line, the heater, and the pump station. What we're learning today will work for each one, but we'll be utilizing the full line for today's lesson. Double-click on the full line catalog image, and the online version of the catalog opens in a new window. There are several ways to find what you want in here. You can go old school and mouse scroll down the table of contents. Find the section you need, and then click and drag the scroll bar until you find the page. That took some time. Or you can look the part up by mouse scrolling down to the index. Find the part you want, and then drag the scroll bar down until you find the page it's on. But why go through all that trouble when there's an easier way? On your keyboard, press the Control key and the F key at the same time. This will open a field at the top of the PDF. Then type the part you're looking for. The number of times that word appears in the PDF will show to the right. Press the Enter key on your keypad to jump to the pages where the word appears. Eventually, you'll find what you're looking for. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That's all there is to it.